Also good, guys. I just wanted to do a quick analysis of the CPI from yesterday. We had a lot of movement, and I was giving the market some play. So just wanted to do a quick analysis, give you guys my insights. So yesterday we had a bearish move on pretty much US 30 and NAS 100. So basically what happens on a news event, what I've seen is that market will pretty much change direction. So it will change direction completely, or it will sweep liquidity from the already given direction. So if we're in a bullish market and people are still holding buys, you can just come sweep the liquidity. So for instance, maybe people are holding buys from here that held, right? So once you sweep the liquidity, market will start to recover, or it will just take just shift in direction. And I'd like to think that now it's shifting direction because we've seen that we've actually been bullish for a really long time. We've been bullish for a really long time, and you could say that price will carry on in a bullish movement because this is bullish structure. But I'd like to think that price has been a little bit too biased to the upside. So now I'd be keen on I'd be a little bit more biased on getting onto the bearish side and catching the move while it starts. So basically I was looking at this trade here earlier in the day, and I realized that we are actually at a key level. When price was around here at around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, I realized that price is actually at a key level. Price gave us a slowdown in momentum. As you can see, we were really bullish coming up, but then we started to see some red candles. So now we can see that price is slowing down in momentum, and we might have a bearish move. So obviously so basically, as I said yesterday, I mean not yesterday but in the previous video, that after price makes its indication, it will make a bearish retracement coming to a recent resistance or support, or it will make a retracement in a way that it's like a sort of a channel, and then it will break out of that channel, which is where you want to take the trade. So me personally, I'm more biased on the sells here, seeing as this is the most recent move that we've had, right? We absolutely smashed these lows here, and we were actually really aggressive coming down to the support. So now that we've touched the support, we're sort of retesting, seeing if price wants to break above or it wants to sell. But since we've had this indication, we broke that low, right? We made a low, broke it again, and now we are retesting. So me personally, I'm biased towards the sells, but let's just show you guys what I've been looking at this week. So US 30 is pretty much the same thing, right? I haven't done my analysis, but this was from a couple of days ago. While price was here, when price was here, I was waiting for it to touch this support again, knowing that it was fully going to buy until at least this recent high, and then we had CPI after that. So yeah, we also touched this support here. As you can see, we broke it. Now we've made a correction, and you can see price is starting to move to the downside. So now that US 30 is moving to the downside, you can see this key level right here. If I just need to show it for you, right, we can see this key level right here. As I said, guys, price will either make a retracement in a channel and break out of it, or it will come retest a previous resistance or support and then continue into the direction. So we can foresee US 30 to head towards here, right, to these lows, sort of break those lows, right? So right now price is definitely moving bearish. And then I just want to show you guys something really interesting on gold, and I don't want you guys to be surprised by this because I had stated it in the previous video. Look at what happened, guys. Smash the take profit. right? Let's analyze what exactly I'm talking about here, right? So right here we had our bearish indication, and we retested this previous level, and we started selling again, and then right here is a low, right? And it's a more how can I say, secondary, I don't know, but in between the move it made a low here, and then we broke it, right? So at the zone here we broke the low, and we came to retest again. So as I said, guys, price will make a retracement in a channel, and then once it breaks out of the channel, that's when you want to enter the sales, and that's exactly what happened here. We had a retracement in a bullish form, in a bullish channel, and we took the trade as soon as price broke, and look what that got us, right? You could have entered multiple times actually, and if you were funded and you took 2 trades, this would have been this would have been 20%, right? Obviously risking 1% each trade. It's going to be 20% for you. Pretty simple, guys. So let's look at the dollar index, right? See what I was talking about, and that's exactly what happened. Look what happened. I told you guys this probably on Sunday night, I think, or Monday, somewhere between there. I told you what was going to happen. I didn't even know the CPI this week. I just knew that price was going to break above, and that's where exactly what I was talking about, right? Price made a bullish indication, right? Retraced, and at the thingy, at the break of that, well, this is the break actually, this is where you buy, right? Put your stops below the previous low, which is right here. This is the previous low, and you target the next high. This is pretty simple, guys. I don't know why I hadn't known this before, but this is pretty simple. You know, it's very simple, guys. But yeah, just keep watching, see how this can match your trading style, how the biases on your pairs, you know. So obviously this would apply to this gold trade, would have applied to Euro USD, GBP USD, anything against the USD. Pretty much you would have seen almost the same thing. German 30 is also still okay. There we have it, guys. Price is now pushing below, so we're definitely gonna smash these lows here. And yeah, so basically my outlook is, if we come below this red zone here, if we break and stay below it, we'll definitely be aiming towards here, right? So let me just put the so yeah guys, pretty much it's very simple, guys. I showed you guys this before, way beforehand. Skills are definitely getting better, and yeah, so now we can see that price, look guys, when we had an indication, price already made a retracement, right? And then we touched the zone again, right? So this is, so me personally, I would watch, and I wouldn't like to see price break below right here, right? I don't like to see price break below right here, because here we actually formed a key level, right? I wouldn't like to see price break below here. So, but if price does break below here, we still have this zone that it hadn't retested, so it could come below the zone and retest here before coming back above. But I would trust price to be a little bit more bullish if it did not break the zone right here. So now that price is still above the zone, we can expect to take out these highs probably by the end of the week, right? So yeah guys, pretty much that's what I wanted to show you guys, aftermath. So basically we were right, guys, and yeah, it's pretty simple, guys, nothing too complicated. Yeah, I saw actually another trader they had buyers from here, and they projected price to come around this level, right? But I trusted my setup actually according to my strategy, and we'll see end of the week if it pays off.